Protects skin from blisters, cuts, and irritations. Fast release speed. Improves fit. Country of origin: China. Top reviews from the United States. Love these. My thumb always hurts while bowling. Even though my ball was drilled for my hand, it doesn't feel comfortable while wearing. There's a bone at the base of my thumb that gets rubbed and bruised while using my ball. These have helped so much. They are thicker than other brands I tried, which offered more cushioning. They have very good adhesion and have not fallen off so far. I've used the last 10 times I've bowled. I wrap one strip from the outer top of my thumb and around to the bottom inside where my protruding thumb bone is. Definitely recommend.